Kakatapos lang mag-church and then we're heading somewhere.
What day?
Yes. Say hi. We have a new member sa ating family. Alam niyo ba kung ano yan, guys? Ready na ba kayo?
Guys, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Welcome to the Ramsay family. Yan, guys. Our first Sunday. Welcome sa ating papuntang church. Ayan. Kasi pwede na kaming pumunta ng church. But kailangan mong magpabook and it's now 7:45. Ayan. Makulimlim ang langit, guys. Yan, oh. Say good morning, Bob. Daddy. So we're going to the church. Nag-church na ba kayo, guys? Huwag niyo kalimutan magsimba. Yes. Tapos lang mag-church and then we're heading somewhere.
What day?
Yes. Say hi.
And what day?
Where are we going, my darling dearest husband?
London.
London. To visit the Queen. Okay. Going to the London, guys. To visit the Queen and the King and the Prince. Naka-jumper ako, guys, kasi malamig. But now, it's 30 degrees, guys. Ang init. But hindi na kami makabalik sa house because wasting time. But it's okay. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, baby. a lot of people. I decided not to go out. And then si Alex ay natulog. Wrong timing. Kasi Alex fall asleep. Ayan. Then pumunta kami ng mall. And then meron kaming our new member. New member sa ating family. Malalaman niyo siya mamaya, guys, kung ano yung tinutukoy ko. Hi! Nandito na tayo sa bahay, guys. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinamili namin. We have lemon, lime lemon, and Fanta. Ayan, ito lang yung pinamili namin, guys, kasi tomorrow is a shopping day. So, ito lang yung pinamili namin.
Thank you.
And we have a new member sa ating family. Alam niyo ba kung ano yan, guys? Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo, John? Charan! Itong massage na ano, guys. Quattro Mini Massager. Ayan. Massage.
Ooh.
Ayan, guys. Ito yon ang ating new member sa ating family, guys. Ayan. Siya yung taga-massage natin. Ayan. Kasi minsan kasi, masakit yung likod ko. And then si Habi hindi masyado makamassage. So, buti na lang nakita ni Habi to. Andito si Alex, gusto niya magpamassage, guys. So, ito, napaka-easy lang niya. I-ano lang mo to, i-press nyo lang siya dyan, ito, ng button na to. Ayan. And then, it's good to go. Ayan. O, diba? Narinig nyo na ba yun? Ayan. Yan yun. Ayan, guys. I-massage mo siya na ganyan. Meron ganito si ano yung kapatid ni Alex Gonzaga, sino ba yun? Si Tony! Ayan, si Tony Gonzaga. Meron silang ganito. Ayan, nakita ko sa kanilang vlog. Ayan, ganyan. I-massage mo siya ng ganyan. So nice, guys. So, itatry natin to, ang ating new toy. Char. Itong Quattro Mini Massager. Ayan, itatry natin to kung effective ba siya. Mura lang siya, guys. It's $12 ang pagkabili namin nito. Ayan, buti na lang. I think, is there a sale, mahal, or no?
It's just the price.
It's just the price. Okay. Yeah, $12 siya, guys. So, we will try this one later. Papatry natin kay Happy. Ayan, massage natin si Happy mamaya. So, yeah. Ito lang yung aking guys. New member. Ayan. Ayan, guys, kakatapos ko lang magluto, and then ready na ang ating chicken curry, and then ang ating rice ready na din kasi rice is life. And then mamaya si Habi ang maghuhugas kasi ako ang nagluluto. So ito yung rules namin, pag ako ang magluluto, siya ang maghuhugas. Ganon yun. So nakaready na din ang ating lamesa dyan at tayo ay magdi-dinner na.